Hey, this is Jonathan Singer, and I'm here to give you some tips for getting into the news. The first thing, reach out to your local health or behavioral health reporter. You know, the one that writes about the issues that you address, the social work issues, and pitch them an idea, something that's going on in the community, something that's going on with your clients that you think you can provide some insight on. Um, the second one is to write an editorial. This is a really easy way to get your ideas into the news. And then once you are in the newspaper, once you've written an editorial, then the journalist for that newspaper will get to know your name. Um, it, it, Another thing to do is to become a member of an organization that reporters contact when they're looking for experts. So I'm a member of NASW. I'm also the president of the American Association of Suicidology. Reporters reach out to these organizations all the time, and when they're looking for somebody to talk about youth suicide risk, I'm one of the people that they refer out to. Um, Another tip is to become a recognized expert on social media. You know, journalists are on social media, they're on Twitter all the time looking for leads, tips, new story ideas, and people to talk to. And so if you're commenting, if you're providing insight, that's one way that they can find you. Another tip is to publish something, not an editorial, but to publish a blog on Medium, or to publish a book, or to publish an essay. These are things that the publisher can then publicize, put out a press release, and these are things that editorial groups and journalists will look at and say, this is somebody we want to learn more about. And the last thing is if you're holding an event, if there's some sort of uh, um, program or workshop or symposium, that's the kind of thing that you can reach out to the local press and say, hey, we're doing this thing on, for example, a workshop on youth suicide. If you want a journalist to stop by and cover it, I'd be happy to talk to them about what we're doing. So hope that's helpful. These are some tips for getting you into the news.